I think there is one sector that is exciting me quite a lot recently, and that's really maybe we can, move over the few slides because we've talked about market structure already, but the convergence of AI and blockchain, and that is what we believe is sparking the next phase or the final phase of the bull market. And of course, I think crypto and AI has so much potential. It can, help with fake news detection. It can make sure that computing is shared safely and securely. But I think what we've started to see as of now is the rise and the hype of AI agents. So for those of you who haven't heard this term before, AI agents are like the next evolution of AI chatbots. So of your GPTs and of your Chat GPT and of your Gemini and whatnot. Those are great tools still, but AI agents build on that by essentially allowing them to be more free. They no longer need the human intervention for prompts, and they're able to make decisions in multiple steps. And the crucial thing is that they're able to transact. And that is exactly where you need crypto. If this was in a traditional industry, these AI agents would not be able to transact because they would not be able to pass the KYC requirements. I mean, they don't have an ID, So like in the crypto world, they're able to open up a wallet and they're able to trade. And I think that is really what's exciting here. We'll show a couple of examples as well, but let's maybe level set a bit. A lot of the current integrations or the current agents that we've seen are far more lighthearted. Some of them are analysts, which is maybe a risk for my job. Some of them are more satirical, and there's also an iteration called Cerebro, which is my personal favorite, which launched its own album on Spotify and has also created an NFT collection. And so they are more lighthearted, but this is quite typical of innovations in the space as well. I think we saw this in the last cycle with, profile pic NFTs. That's not the final, holy grail of what the technology can do. And it's the same in the case here. They may be lighthearted, but there's so much that it's clear. The potential is so clear here.
I totally agree with you. Yeah, it's a lot of times it starts with a very limited or even stupid use case. As you said, it's very similar to previous cycles, right? In 2017, 18, we had ICOs,
Yeah.
really like on-chain IPOs, you could say, which kind of created this bubble of speculation, but was also very important to kind of like attract liquidity and attract capital into the crypto space. Then 2020, 2021, we had NFTs and DeFi.
Yep.
NFTs may be the better example here, as you said, overpriced monkey pictures. Yeah. Again, like
Technology's potential, right? And
exactly.
Right.
Exactly. It always starts with the stupid use cases. I always tell that story that when I had my first iPhone, my first two apps were a fart pillow and a beer app. But now I basically, exactly. But now I use it for everything. And it's very similar here. The thing I have though with this is that I think it will create kind of like a speculation bubble because people are they will get very, very excited about this new technology. They think it's going to change the world by tomorrow, overnight. But obviously it takes a few more years at least to materialize. And a lot of times market just overprice and overreact on these kind of developments. So yeah.
I agree. Yeah, but really cool. And I mean, we've seen, I think there's a platform called Virtuals, which is a launch pad for these agents. And I think
Yeah.
over like 15,000 agents launched on that launch pad. So it just shows how much attention it's getting. And they've even made over 60 million in revenue just from launching these agents. So as you said, it attracts capital, it attracts attention. It's a bit speculative, but it's important to showcase the potential of the technology and also for us to enter, in the final, more euphoric stage of the market.
Absolutely. And what I love about it as well, it's also even normal, like even non-crypto people can grasp the idea of AI agents. I think the best example is my girlfriend actually. When I talk to her about my job, she usually falls asleep. She's not really interested, which is quite refreshing as well. But when I told her about AI agents, she actually got really, really excited. It was a very tangible example that she could understand right away. And I think that's really important to attract more users into the crypto